In this project, we built a gesture control mobile robot that responds to real time hand movements with an ESP32 camera that gives back video feedback. The goal wasn't to make the robot move, but it was to make the robot control more intuitive and to make get real time feedback from the robot. Most most small robots are controlled by joysticks, buttons, or phone apps. These work, but they are indirect. Humans don't naturally think in button presses. We communicate using motion, gestures, and at the same time, remote control without visual feedback is risky. You don't know what the robot is doing or where it is. This project tries to solve both problems together. Gestures act as the command channel, and the ASP32 CAM acts as the feedback channel. Control and perception working side by side. At a high level, the system has two independent pipelines. The first one is first pipeline is for control and gesture, which are implemented from gestures. The second command line is for video feedback, which comes from is now both of these pipelines are decoupled and they work independently of each other, along for you to control the robot even if video feedback goes out. The ESP32 CAM is very important to this project since without visual feedback, the bot will be limited to operating within our field of view, which defeats the point of remote operation or wireless operation. The camera makes this system usable beyond line of sight, which allows for monitoring, testing, and navigation. This project will provide you with the explanation of the code, both Python and C++, the chassis design and why we choose such a chassis, electronics use and justifications for the electronics that were used. Then we'll also design a custom PCB that will be able to fit all the electronics in a very compact form factor. And we'll also cover the limitations of the project and why it is not yet ready for production. Well, that's also this video. This was just an introduction for the project and a proposal for this idea. In the upcoming video, we'll start with the code explanation and how hand gestures are interpreted and set over Wi-Fi.